Hello and welcome to Bonamek. Here we have a Volkswagen Beetle from 1973 that has been sitting here since 2006, and now we're gonna try to make it start again for the first time in many years. But the first thing we will need to do is make sure the engines rolls over freely. Compression. And it moves freely and it's building some compression. And the next step will be to disengage the fuel lines because we don't want to suck that old shit of gas into the carburetor and the fuel pump. So we will use both the tank and make a setup here. And we need to check if we still got spark. Now, when we get some power, we can check here in the distributor if we got some spark. If we just no. Yeah. The points are a little bit too dirty, so we will take some sandpaper and blast that off. So now we got spark too. See if you can see that too, guys. We got spark. Now we will crank it and build oil pressure. Jag byggde oljetryck i bilen. Ja. Byggde oljetryck i bilen gjorde jag. Det lät tokigt va? Ja, och den är inte för barn. Ja. It's alive! It's alive! Starts easy peasy. No, on the next episode, we will try and clean out the inside and see if the transmission and the brakes works. Then we got ourselves a little project on our hands here.